everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel for the first time. To all my new subscribers, I just want to say that's what's up. Thank you so much. And to all my old subscribers, thank you for continuing to rock with me. So today I am going to be doing a crochet hair video, and of course for a crochet you need your hair, you need your scissors, and you need a crochet hook. So I am using the Outre Expressions 4-in-1 Jerry curl hair. It's 14 inches and I got it in the color 950, and I also had to get a pack of 1B as well. So right here I'm just showing you my braid pattern. I did not braid this myself, but this is the braid pattern. And so the pre-looped hair comes with the loop, and then there's the band around the hair that you can slide up and down to adjust the size of the loop. So the thing about this 4-in-1 hair is that you can either have it in 4 strands, or you can pull the loop apart and it has 2 strands. So I'm starting in the back, which may have been a mistake because I started in the back and ended up putting a lot in the back, and then when I got to the front I didn't have enough hair, so I just kind of had to make it work, as you will see. But now I'm showing you that I am also using the kinky curl in 950 as well, and if you look at it, the pattern is very similar to the Jerry curl, so you can't really even tell that I had to mix the hair. And I ended up having to get the kinky curl. When I went to get the hair, they didn't have enough packs of the Jerry curl, so that is why I ended up just getting the kinky curl. And I thought since it was the same color that it would blend right in, and it does. I feel like you guys already know how to install crochet hair, but just in case you don't, I will explain it real quick. So you just slide the loop up under your braid, you slip your hair onto that hook at the end, you close the latch before you bring it back through the braid, and then you just take both pieces of hair and pull it through the loop. Just like that, and it's really simple. Okay, so I'm just going to stop talking for a second and install this hair, and I will be back in just a minute.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No, these days I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing.
I really did like the kinky curl hair. The kinky curl hair was much thicker, but because of the thickness, it came with less pieces. So the Jerry curl hair came with about 22 pieces in each pack, and the kinky curl came with about 12 pieces in each pack. So it's kind of a trade-off for the fullness. When I got to the front of my head, I decided to do the invisible knots. And what I did with that was I just pulled the knot out of the hair, and then I took the hair and split it into 2, as you see me doing. And all I'm going to do is just insert the hook up under my braid like regular and pull the hook back through, but instead of pulling both strands through the loop, I'm only going to take one strand and pull it through the loop, just like that. Super simple. And I decided to do the invisible knots closer to the front so that the knots wouldn't be as big, so I just did it right around the front. The invisible knots are really easy, and I'm just going to come in a little bit closer and slow it down so that you can really see what I'm doing. So once again, I'm just taking the hook up under the braid, coming back out, and taking one side of the hair and pulling it through the loop and just pulling it tight. The only thing about the invisible braids is it just doesn't feel as secure as the rest of the braids. It feels like the knot could slip out. Although I didn't have any problem with it, it just doesn't feel as secure as with the leaving the loop intact and just pushing the loop back closed. That's what I like about the pre-looped hair. Once you open up the loop, you can slide the band back up close to your braid and it feels very secure. But I'm all done now, and I'm just going to comb out the hair so that it doesn't have that really uniform curly look. I'm just taking my brush and, trying to make the hair a little bit bigger. As I said back in the beginning, I didn't really leave enough hair for the front, not like I wanted it. So I am just trying to make the hair really big because it's kind of sparse on the top. But I think I hit it pretty well. And now I'm just kind of cutting it and giving it some shape. And I really, really like this hair. Well, let me take that back. I really like the look of this hair, but I had the opportunity to wear this hair for about a week now, and I just have to tell you that this hair tangles horribly. Like, it looks cute, but it tangles terribly. And I know that it's synthetic hair, so that it will tangle, but it's just really bad. So I don't think that I would recommend this hair or get this hair again, but I've gotten lots of compliments on it. So look past that eyelash because it just did not want me to be as fabulous as I thought I was. But I am just continuing to fluff out the hair, trying to hide the sparseness at the top. And your hairstyle is not finished until you lay those edges down. So that's what I'm doing. And this is pretty much it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know below what you think about it. Leave me some comments. And that is it. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe before you click off. Bye.
I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing. I don't really want to talk about what I got.